Kia Rio 2013, removing the gear cables, gear selector. What a job. I'm just gonna show you guys what a job. Sorry about the mess there. All this job here is for the gear cables. As you can see, we need to remove those nuts. It goes behind this box here. It sits right behind this box. The heater box sits right behind there. Why did not put those nuts from the outside? So anyway, it's gonna show you guys, if you do get a Kia Rio with aircon, you do struggle to get them gear cables. As you can see, this gear cable broke. We are changing. What a mess. Dash out. You have to remove the wipers as well, because you've got two little bolts there have to come off. And you have the air con, and you got the coolant inside the vehicle have to be removed. Oh well. Hope hope this video help you guys so you know what you come across. Kia Rio, gear cables, gear selector, changing it, dash out, so many things out.